If I Were a Jungle Animal by Tom and Amanda Ellery. If I were a jungle animal. Morton, pay attention out there, Coach. Why do I need to pay attention? The ball never comes out here. I bet the other kids don't even remember I'm on the team. Smack, yay. I wish I was somewhere more exciting, like the beach or an island or the jungle. Yes, the jungle. And I could be the king of the jungle. I could be a lion. Oh, or maybe I could be a monkey. If I were a monkey, I could swing and play in the trees all day long. Whoops! Or maybe a giraffe. Yeah, if I were a giraffe, I could stretch my neck way up and eat the highest leaves. Whoa. Okay, maybe a zebra. I could just run all day with my herd. Yikes. A parrot? If I were a parrot, I could just find a bird friend and just talk. And just have a nice quiet talk. This is him and these are the parrots that are talking to him. And I didn't quite talk. I got it. A hippopotamus. That's right. If I were a hippopotamus, I could just have fun swimming in the cool jungle rivers. Yow! I know, a walrus. Yeah, if I was, I could... Wait a minute. A walrus doesn't live in the jungle. Morton, wake up! Get the ball! I got it. The lions. The end. I hope you enjoyed If I Were a Jungle Animal by Tom and Amanda Ellery. Bye!